Right now, I am pleased to introduce to you the president of Cal State LA. Since becoming president of Cal State LA in September of 2013, President William A. Covino has emphasized the importance of a curriculum that prepares students to transform the future and improve the quality of life in Los Angeles and beyond. He has cultivated new alliances and partnerships that are enriching opportunities for the students and for the community. As part of President Covino's philosophy of putting students first, enrollment at Cal State LA is at an all-time high, and the university has opened a new campus in downtown LA. Through the Mind Matters initiative, President Covino and First Lady Dr. Debbie Covino are aiding student success by providing resources for physical and mental well-being. President Covino holds a PhD in English and has published important scholarship on the power and uses of rhetoric, persuasion, and imagination. He is also a nationally celebrated proponent of civic learning. So please now welcome Dr. William A. Covino.
Good evening. Welcome back for so many of you who have been long-time, perennial, dedicated advocates for the Pat Brown Institute and Cal State LA. And for all of you folks who are here for the first time, thank you very much for joining us. This is an annual event that is not to be missed, and we are very glad to share it with you as we celebrate the Pat Brown Institute and the accomplishments of tonight's honorees. As you can tell from the big 35 everywhere, it is, as we've said, 35 years that Pat Brown Institute has played a vital role in Southern California. It's a role that's consistent with the mission of Cal State LA. Cal State LA's role as the premier public comprehensive university in the heart of Los Angeles, and I mean heart both literally and figuratively there. We're committed to addressing the challenges that confront our region and our world, and to graduating individuals who understand the value of service. In the fall, on that note, when we convert from the quarter system to the semester system, we're just about there. So when we begin our fall semester, you'll see more Cal State LA students than ever before serving in the community, because our new general education requirement has them all taking courses in service learning and civic learning that put them out in the community. And so they will be joining many of you, and we expect about 6,000 students to be participating year after year, every year, in this project and fulfilling this requirement. These classes are part of the core curriculum of Cal State LA and represent the core values of the university. The Pat Brown Institute expands our reach and our engagement with our communities in always engaging and innovative ways. Working with the Office of Mayor Eric Garcetti, we offer, I think was our third time around this last year, the Civic University program, which transforms residents into advocates who are equipped with the knowledge they need to navigate City Hall for the betterment of the communities. We actually do bring in, we had a couple of hundred this year, citizens who really want to learn how to navigate the city's complexities and the complexities of cities in other places as well. So we give them those skills, and then we close out the session. The mayor was there, and Ana Guerrero was there, and I was there, with the students making arguments about new projects that they think would benefit the city. And they make some very good arguments and propose some very good projects, and we were all taking notes. So they certainly left the project feeling empowered, and we will partner with Mayor Garcetti to increase that population and continue that initiative year after year after year, and we're very glad that the Pat Brown Institute is able to lead the way for us in that direction. Pat Brown Institute also, through its, as you know, its public forums on pressing issues, from freeway expansion to tonight's theme, climate change, keeps the public engaged and informed. And we're very proud of Rafe Sonnenschein and the whole staff and everybody that's doing such a great job at PBI. Cal State LA has taken steps, great and small, to reduce our own carbon footprint. We're installing solar panels everywhere. We're purchasing eco-friendly grounds equipment for all of our groundskeeping that'll be used across the university's 175 acres. And this month, I joined with other universities across the country in signing the Climate Change Pledge, which we're very happy to be involved in. Now, you can tell that we've got an investment in this because of the cars that are sitting outside. The 2 hydrogen cars and the hydrogen station at Cal State LA are the courtesy of our hydrogen research and fueling facility, right, which is internationally known for its innovations. It's the largest such facility on a university campus in the nation. I think I know which table started the applause. It's the first facility in the world approved to sell hydrogen by the kilogram directly to the public. So if you need to, I don't know what you say. Do you say fuel up? Do you say gas up? Gas, it's a kind of a, I don't know. Anyway, by the kilogram. So drive by. Tonight we're honoring 3 individuals for their enormous contributions in the area of climate change. David Gelber and Joel Bach applied their tremendous creative talents to making the issue of climate change real and accessible to a wider audience through their amazing docuseries. They've used the power of film to educate the nation on an issue that is complex and crucial, yet central to every one of our lives. And we'll have an opportunity to view part of their groundbreaking work a little later on. We're also honoring, he will be entering, I'm sure. We are honoring Senate President Pro Tem Kevin De Leon, who has contributed greatly to higher education. I want to put an exclamation point on that because Cal State LA and the entire CSU system owes much of its renaissance from the ravages of the recession to the efforts of Kevin De Leon, who met with us time after time after time last year, carved out initiatives and strategies that allowed us to admit system-wide 12,000 additional students and provide them access to degrees. And I think he has been a great, great champion for higher education. And certainly, to tonight's point, has provided extraordinary leadership in the Senate on climate change, on climate and on clean energy. He has another talent, though, and he's entering just as I'm about to stress it. Last year, the President Pro Tem paid a visit to Cal State LA and was the guest DJ for Golden Eagle Radio and spun some of his favorite tunes, and yes, he was a hit. He told me, he said, I was a hit. And we now know him as DJ KDL. And he's actually coming back next month and he's gonna do it again, right? We've got it all set up. So, you know, if the day job doesn't work out, we've got a DJ spot for you at Cal State LA. We're looking forward to having a great evening tonight. If you just don't mention it outside of this room, I will tell you I'm very, very happy tonight, and this event must be a good luck charm, because a couple of days ago we signed a commitment for a $10 million gift to Cal State LA, which continues the momentum that is moving the university forward, and certainly shows that there are great numbers of people out there who see that the mission, the Access mission, the mission of transforming the lives of the students and the region, and all of the support that it brings and the great things that it does are worthwhile, very, very worthwhile. So we look forward to more news like that in the future, and I welcome you here once again. Thank you very much for supporting PBI and Cal State LA.